Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and in tonight's review I thought I would start off with one of the names that I had been covering in these free videos. Again, I'd like you guys to know that I may not have a fresh, brand new idea to give you in every video, but I am looking for actionable trades and trying to give you the stuff that's going to move before it does it. So in weeks previous, we've been talking about this applied material chart, working with the idea that it is time for it to start moving because we are in a daily squeeze. And then as we work to figure out which direction it's going to move, thinking that the fire line overhead, this 166, was going to be our primary target. And then over the past 4 sessions, that's been a really solid mover. So I hope you guys have been making some good money with that. And then that kind of just begs the question that is Amazon the next one? See how it's got that fire line up there at 155? I think that makes for a very good target, but at least in this moment, there is a little bit more of a vested interest in them trying to keep Amazon below these. You see the call wall at 250? That's an important strike from the options complex way of thinking. When you think about all of the contracts that are set to expire this Friday, you can see that Amazon's top gamma expiration, like so many products, will be tomorrow. So you've got all that gamma that's going to expire. I think that keeps it pinned below 250. And then after these big expirations, the market may very well open up to a little bit more weakness. It's hard to know what Monday or Tuesday will look like, but I just want you to be able to buy Amazon back into the 21 if it shows you that weakness. Monday and Tuesday looking a little bit bearish. As long as that level is respected, I think you pick it up for an eventual target up into 155. And then a third name is Duolingo. So one of the members of the chat had brought this one to me, and it's doing great. Now, like so many things, up here at fresh 52-week highs, we all know that you're not getting an immediate discount. But the way that I try to give myself rules are to say that until the squeeze fires, I still have reason to pursue it. I would like to pay the 21 EMA if I can get that, but if the prices don't come down that far, you just try to use the distance in between to accumulate what you feel comfortable with, and then we wait for that signal to give us the directional move that you've seen in the previous names, and I think it'll be in there. So I hope you find the review helpful. You have a great rest of your evening. We'll see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.